Plato, born in Athens around 428 BC. Rich family, good connections, future philosophical rock star. He grows up during the Peloponnesian War. You know, the one where Athens and Sparta punched each other for nearly 30 years. Plato meets Socrates, barefoot, sarcastic, allergic to bad arguments. Plato becomes his student, then watches him get executed. So Plato opens the academy, the first university in the Western world, like Harvard, but with sandals. To Plato, reality is just shadows of the real thing, perfect forms that never change. And society should be run by philosopher-kings, people who love truth more than money. Your soul is like a chariot. Reason drives, spirit fights, appetite wants snacks. Newly decoded scrolls say, Plato had dinner, complained about a bad flute player, then died peacefully. Plato shaped philosophy, politics, education. Western thought basically owes him rent money. Plato's gone, but his ideas? Still running the show. Next time we'll meet another troublemaker from history. Like, subscribe, and remember, knowing stuff is the best kind of rebellion.